Watermark design, web designer, business owner here in Minnesota. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for using the CRM here for reputation management, how you get this up and running right away. So after we set you up, we'll send over a login, and then you can come, once you're logged in here, and click on the Launchpad. It'll be the first thing that opens up. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google Workspace email or your Gmail email account that manages your Google business profile. As long as you're logged in on the computer in that account, you just come in here, click connect. It'll walk you through, and then you select your business profile page that you want to connect to this CRM. And then after that, you'll do the same thing with the Facebook page. You'll come in, as long as you're logged into your personal account that's connected to your business Facebook profile page in the same computer here, same browser. You click connect, and it'll walk you through, and then you click and select your business page on Facebook. Once those two are connected, then we can send review requests and post those reviews as they come in back as a graphic onto your reviews or onto Google there and Facebook. All right, that's the first thing we're going to talk about here today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be putting up more videos that explain these other items on the side. Thank you.